Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Too many projects, Dave Wilson. I figured out what a lot of my problems are. I can't get some things to work very well. And I think it's because I just have too many things in the works at the one time. So I've got 3 clocks that sometimes will run, sometimes won't. I've got this little Christmas tree that I've got to put the right motor in. I got it a couple days ago, but I just haven't gotten back to it. Got this little project I haven't even started on. It's going to be a cloud marble aerator. So, but in the meantime, I decided I'd better get started on Christmas cards. So I'd like to do something different every year. This year I'm printing a sled, and here's what the sled looks like when it's assembled, and nativity scenes. So I've got these. They're going to be sent out to a lot of my friends and family members. So I'm just printing these and getting envelopes ready. So I've got that going on, and you can see this clock's already stopped. So is that one. So it's a neat mechanism, but I'm just having difficulty with it. So I've got to keep working on it. And then I did get a present from my grandfather, my brother. He sent me some Wera screwdrivers, pliers, and some nut drivers. So I'm really excited to give those a try. Really into the German tools, and he found a place that's KC Tools. It's about 15 miles from me here in Kansas City. I'd never heard of them, but he found them from Ohio, so it's pretty interesting. But just got so many projects going on, and that's my resolution for next year. I'm going to try to get something done. But these are printing the cards. So this is going to be a red card with gold filament on top, and I really like these overhead racks because it lets me change the filament quickly, and it doesn't put any strain on the printer, and I don't get vibration from the spools. So I got those set up on all of them. This one I've got to work on a little bit more, but I'm hoping to replace this printer with Bamboo. So I've got one on order, the Bamboo P1P, and I've got a pre-order on the Prusa XL and the Bamboo Carbon. So we'll see what happens. But then this is going to be for my sister-in-law. It's a little name sign, name sign, but it's also a box. So I'll put some links in the video. But this is probably the last video I have this year, and I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thanks for watching. I really do appreciate your comments and questions. And I do this just to be able to show other people what I'm doing, because I do things very different than most folks that have a YouTube channel. And my friend Max gave me this from the ERP show. It's the Fadius background he had at the show, and they were going to throw it away. So I brought it home from Baltimore, and it's a nice little cover. I'm going to do some more. It keeps the drafts out. So thanks for watching.